Before installing the MBR membranes, make sure all preparation steps have been checked and confirmed according to the checklist. This inspection helps eliminate risks during operation, ensure safety, and improve system efficiency. So please make sure cleaning, pipeline checks, electrical systems, and equipment setup are all completed before starting the installation. The membrane frame is made from SUS 304 stainless steel and includes all components: the membrane mounting frame, the permeate collection section, and the air distribution section. The frame also comes with reinforcement accessories to secure the membrane panels, membrane fixing bars, section connection fixing bars, and various bolts. For 15 square meters, 25 square meters, and 40 square meter membrane types, suction elbows are included. Step 1. Install the plastic membrane fixing bars into the frame. Step 2. Move the membrane panels into the steel frame horizontally. Note, all membrane panels must face the same direction according to their serial numbers. Step 3. Install the membrane elbows onto the permeate collection section of the frame. Use a rubber mallet to gently tap and secure the elbows. Step 4. Install the suction connection fixing bar to hold the membrane panels and the elbows firmly in place. Step 5. Check that the installation is complete and all pipelines are properly connected.